Hey, what's up, homies? It's Ninjito. This time I got some duels against MightyMattman90. Matt is the best guide YouTuber out there, and he will be updating all of his guides after the Core Combat update. Make sure to check out his channel and subscribe. If you're looking to learn a new character, his channel is the place to go. I will leave a link to his channel in the description of the video. Alright, let's get to it.
Right then.
I keep missing it. Oh no. Alright. Oh, stop it, man. No. I'm only 3. Oh no.
Nice.
The one zone.
That option select's really dangerous now, because Peacekeeper gets light parried.
That's a light parry?
Yeah, Peacekeeper's zone's the only one that counts as a light parry.
Don't they hate us? They just hate us, man.
To be fair, Shinobi has it worse than Peacekeeper.
Missed that for an inch. I just didn't know. I was. Yeah, cause my stamina. Top light.
Top heavy.
Oh, I hate you.
Probably shouldn't call it out.
I know, right? No. Ouch. I didn't mean to do that.
It would not surprise me if that that heavy didn't kill you.
I think it almost did it, but that was 16. Do you get increased damage on bleed or no?
No, that's Nibushi.
That's crazy. You should get increased damage on bleed too.
Nah, she doesn't. It's Peacekeeper's damage is okay. It's just how it's applied. Really can't parry that. Really should just try and dodge it.
Okay. Oh, finally! Yes! No, worth it. I don't care anymore. Alright, guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed watching Scratch. Just kidding. Oh my god, dude. It took me like 12 attempts to get that, man. That was crazy. You are so
mind just
prepared.
like not stepping on my face as well.
Oh, I feel like that was a life accomplishment finally. Ever since we started playing, bro, you will not land once on that. Oh. Whew. Okay.
So he's gonna move forward.
No, I got greedy. Oh no, you're dangerous, bro. I thought you were gonna do the top heavy.
Oh, I'm not gonna fall for that.
Oh my god, I did. I fell for it completely. Look at my body.
Have you seen the fights I did with Calix? It came. That's how the last round went. He did the forward lunge.
Yeah. You're not falling for any of that, right?
Nice parry.
Thank you.
Oh wow. Thought I blocked that. Nice.
Okay. That works. I'm like, alright, that works.
You know, like the wind.
Take it.
You know, like the window shut down. That's what my brain did.
Oh my god.
And my brain was still loading then. Don't know what happened. Like
you did the whole sound and everything.
Unfaintable indicator coming my way, and it's like, you can block it, Matt. You can block it, Matt. It's too late. Block it. Nice parry.
Got him. Oh no! Oh what? That a kill? No! That sucks. You won that round. It just sucks to be a peacekeeper, bruh. That I feel you. I feel you, bruh. That after that.
Broke my heart.
Oh my god, bruh. After that, I have so much more respect for you. That sucks.
That hit.
That's crazy.
Man, that hit.
Oh, I tried to keep like that. Yeah, right. Oh no. Oh. I hate you. Can I kill you? No. No. GG. No. I was like, nah, I cannot. You have a coin for me there, sir?
Not on this load up.
Oh damn.
No. You get my recognition. No money.
Damn it.
Yep. Thought you'd stop charging. Ooh, I got lucky then.
Yes.
Nice.
No! Oh wait, I'm still alive. I forgot it's Peacekeeper. Still
got
got
an
me.
execution.
Right?
That game is absolutely unsettling on every sense. Especially when you're playing with a friend and it's just like, he's like, hey Dom, are you okay? Dom, what are you doing? And he's like hovering there and his neck suddenly snaps and you're like, okay, I'm leaving.
Never mind, never mind. Alright,
let's
man.
go.
Let's do
Let's
this.
go. Dial tones in the background?
Yeah, my wife. Oh, if you did a little more damage. Oh, you actually got me.
Nice. Now you broke your back.
I can't break my back anymore if you already broke it for me, man. Look at that. The orb. My soul in your hand.
Yeah, this is Edgekeeper.
Yeah, it seemed like it took my soul right out of my body. Ooh. Oh, you got me.
I wanted the deflect, I was greedy.
Oh. Oh, I wanted the deflect too. Yes.
Oh, nice.
I will die with style.
Okay, that's gotta count. You still died, right?
I mean, it counts as a
I'm
kill.
telling you, that's how I lose most of my matches in ranked. Like, if I lose That's how most of my matches lose. They're like, they're gonna bleed out, but then they kill me before they do.
Yeah, I feel you, man. I respect your persistence with this character, honestly. I knew it was coming. I did it too early.
Damn it, I should have waited then.
Yes.
Slap. Damn it. I genuinely didn't think you were going to faint into GB then. It's like you've done it all every time. I was like, no, he's going to follow up. Didn't work.
Oh, I imagined you doing that too. You're like, oh, just dodge. Easy. Easy win. Easy win.
It's never easy. Slap.
Got him.
Damn it.
Okay. No.
I could have done anything from that guard break anyway.
Yes.
I don't know.
Can you please give me an option to do it?
Okay, here's your coin.
Alright, let me go pick that up. Alright, man.
But to be fair, have you seen Shinobi's coin emote?
Yeah, it's fun.
You just drop coins.
I mean, how do you think I get them? Oh, you went for a heavy now, eh? Nice.
Should have dodged the side.
You did it backwards, bro. I was gonna parry that. You did it backwards. No. Finally got an execution. GG.
Oh, that looks painful.
What can I tell you? I could tell you I could feel it if you didn't put a freaking dagger in my brain. Cut all my feeling out.
Round 2.
Look, you landed the Ninjito. I need this.
I know, right? I told you I'm satisfied. Can you? Oh, I don't remember what. Oh, there you go. There you go. I could have let it fly.
Oh.
Oh, you go! GG. I got cocky.
I got lucky.
Oh my god, dude! That's a good thing about her bleed too. You really don't feel it. You're like, ah, my health's there,
bleed,
and then
like that's the thing. Like her bleed from guard break is ridiculously high. It's like the highest guard break.
is it
38 in total.
on a guard break?
Yeah, that's ridiculous, isn't it?
Wow.
I don't know why I thought you weren't going to faint that one that time, but
Ugh. I hate you.
nah, you don't.
You're just mixing it up. Ah.
Good point.
What?
Chipped you out.
I.
You were bleeding.
Oh, that's the only reason. I was like, what the hell? Yeah,
You're like,
because
sure, I blocked that.
sure.
Yeah, so-
That's exactly what happened
Yeah.
in my mind.
Yeah, as you were bleeding, so you chipped.
It did chip me.
out.
Yeah.
I swear I'm gonna parry that one time. Probably not in this video. Oh god, I'm out of stamina. I don't know what I was trying to do then.
Alright.
I say stop playing with your food, man.
No, I'm like, I'm trying to see if I can get an execution. Yeah. Throw me like this side. But no.
Round 5.
And then I look at the score and I'm like, oh, I am losing 3-0.
No, not anymore. That still hit me. Nice.
Yeah, the cancel. Yeah. Okay.
Oh.
Oh no. Look at my health. Nice.
I've been waiting to get that deflect for so long.
You got it.
I think the best part about it is I'm actually deflecting your feet.
Yeah, right.
Round 6.
It's my feet.
It's like you just-
You're like, here, I'm gonna deflect your freaking toes.
Yeah, I'm just always gonna get hit by that, aren't I? Oh god, I just did the most useless move in the game.
Oh my god.
It's kicking me in the face.
Oh no!
Unfortunate.
It is. No! If I went for
Very
the other
unfortunate.
light, I could have maybe. This is good.